Righto, Tasty Tuesday. This is my first banana pancake of this trip.
Only banana?
Banana and chocolate.
Do you want egg?
No, no eggs. So let's have a look. Do the kids want one? Yep. Yum, yum. Let's get a good look at what's going on here. It's a bit later. It's about 9 o'clock on Pub Street now. And there's a few people out, which is good to see. Still a lot of places shut, but there is a smattering of, what would you call it? I'd call it atmosphere. That's the word I was looking for. Let's have a look at the banana pancake in action. So we've got this incredibly hot fry pan. We've got a little banana. Just smashes the banana down. No mucking about. Bingo bango, she's done. Bit of butter to make it crispy. Oh yeah. And there's her batter for another one. Look at that. Just like a bloody pizza dough. No stuffing around. Oh. One down. $3 for how many? 4 of them. Look at that. Look at that technique. Straight on, shrinks up a little bit. These are the girls' ones, they get an egg. Butter. You can also get sweet milk. They love their sweet milk, which is that stuff in there. And you can also get some chocolate or strawberry.
That's yours, just the banana.
Yeah, mine banana and chocolate. That's my one. Look at that. Get in. Lovely. Fold it up in the A4 bit of reflex paper. And that will stay piping hot for many, many minutes. Akuntran. That is hot as balls, guys. Don't try and eat it yet, because you will hurt yourself. It's just like a nice cheesy bit of pizza. You don't want to go there. Here are the other ones going down. Aggressive slaps. Max is here. He's visualising and getting excited about his first pancake. This is take your child to the pub night. In other words, child was at home but wouldn't stop crying, so we've summoned all the kids and Max to come out with us. It's only 9 o'clock, it's all good. Parents of the year. 8:30. Even better. Oh, that one's got sweet milk and Milo. Look at that. That's a bloody deluxe model, that one. Oh, getting eaten by mosquitoes. Max is getting a bit of attention. Who's that one for? Well done. Congratulations. Is that for you? Need some organisation here. Who was that one for? This guy's fascinated with Max, the half Barang child.
He knows me.
Oh, he knows you?
He'll take us home.
Oh, awesome. It's just they. Kinal knows everyone in this town. Used to know everyone in this town. She's been replaced slightly by Jimmy.
I'm going to go with in the tuk-tuk.
Okay.
Don't forget to give him $3.
Yeah, I know. I won't forget to pay her. I'm not that daft. Although sometimes I may look it. Georgette? 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 Yeah. She'll do a roaring trade here because I don't think there's any other ones around here on this particular road, which is at the entrance to Pub Street. But I'm a bit more buoyed by the fact that there's people on Pub Street. When we came for a walk earlier, it was dead as a dingo's doorknob. What do you call it? Deader than a dry dingo's dead doorknob? Donka? Something like that. You can correct me in the comments. There's the last one. Looks like a plain model. Maybe with a bit of sweet milk. Oh, the mosquitoes are biting furiously. This guy's just rocked up on his 125 click. Whilst we're waiting for the final ones, I'm going to try and have a crack at this. Whoop. Make sure I pick up that bit of A4 paper. Superb. I couldn't. Alright, now we're going to pay to win. So, get yourself one of these. Wait about 2 minutes before you eat them now. Superb. I'll see you next time on Tasty Tuesday. Tika chow.